Get ready for an electrifying showdown at the Jamaica National Championship as the battle for the men's 100 meters spot heats up. With the Tokyo World Championship selection on the line, the stakes couldn't be higher. This year's race features the return of top contenders like Ackeem Blake, Kishane Thompson, and Oblique Seville, but don't count out rising stars like Bryan Levell and Kimberly Stewart. With injuries and fierce competition at every turn, this race is set to be one of the most intense yet. Who will make the team for the Tokyo World Championship? Let's break down the contenders, their current form, and the predictions for the ultimate sprint showdown. It won't be wrong to say that Usain Bolt's 9.58 seconds and Asafa Powell's 97 sub-10 clockings have become the standard bearers in the men's 100 meter. Since Bolt's retirement in 2017, Jamaica went through a drought in the men's 100 meter at major championships. However, that drought ended when Kishane Thompson ran 9.79 seconds to earn silver at the 2024 Paris Olympics. This performance has served as added motivation for the Jamaican men to improve in the 100 meter. It's that time of the season again when Jamaica is hosting its national championship from June 26th to 29th. This national championship will be used to select the team for the Tokyo World Championship, which will be held in September. The men's 100 meter has been one of the most competitive events in Jamaica's track and field. This year's event will be held on Friday, June 27th. It's expected to be a showdown with the three men who made the 2024 Paris Olympic team in that of Kishane Thompson, Oblique Seville, and Ackeem Blake. So far this season, Ackeem Blake has proven himself to be the most consistent athlete in the event with a time of 9.96 seconds done at the Velocity Fest 17.
Great stop on the outside for Tavares Thomas. Ackeem Blake now gets up. Bryan level up the chase. Ackeem Blake moving away from the rest of the field. Let's look at 90 eyes. Ackeem Blake, 9.94. Oh yes!
He followed up that performance with a wind-aided 9.85 seconds at the Miami Grand Slam track. However, Blake became injured in the 200 meter at the Miami Grand Slam track, which led him to miss the World Relays in Guangzhou. Blake's most recent 100 meter race was a 10.08 seconds done at the J3A World Championship preparation meet. With Ackeem Blake seeming to be getting better, he should be in a good position to make the 100 meter team. The fans also get to see more of Kishane Thompson this season as he opened his season in the 100 meter by running 9.99 seconds at the Shanghai Diamond League in early May 2025. After this, he ran a wind-aided 10.04 seconds. This is a good sign from the Olympic silver medalist because fans have never seen him this early in the season. Now, if we talk about Oblique Seville, he has been the biggest mystery this season, with him having a season's best of 10.08 seconds at the Kingston Grand Slam track. But he was able to run a wind-aided 9.84 seconds at the Miami Grand Slam track. Later, Oblique Seville got injured at the Adidas Atlanta City Games, which makes fans concerned about his current health. Seville is often ready to make teams, and he has not missed a Jamaican team since the 2020 Tokyo Olympics. But are these three men safe to run the 100 meter? Bryan Levell recently ran 10.02 seconds at the Philadelphia Grand Slam track, and Kimberly Stewart has run that same time as well, which shows that they could upset the potential top three finishers. As the Jamaica National Championship approaches, it's more than just a race. It's a testament to the dedication, resilience, and drive of these athletes. With fierce competition and a top spot at the Tokyo World Championship up for grabs, we can only expect greatness. The future of Jamaican sprinting looks bright, and whoever crosses that finish line first will inspire the next generation of champions. What do you think? Will Ackeem Blake, Kishane Thompson, Oblique Seville, or someone else make the Jamaican men's 100 meter team for the Tokyo World Championship? And how fast do you think they'll run? Let us know in the comments below. Also, check out our video on top 10 first-time Caribbean achievements in world athletics. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to stay up to date with all things track and field, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an exciting update. This is Caribbean Focus Sports, and we'll see you in the next video.